Hello students, I welcome you all to my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi. In today's session, we are going to begin with new topic that is profit and loss. So we all are well aware about the basic terminologies for this chapter, that is whatever we are purchasing. If I have to purchase this pen, so at what price I'm going to purchase, how much money I'm going to pay for that. So for me, that will be called the cost price. If I want to sell this pen to somebody else, to my friend or to anyone, so that will be called, the price will be called the selling price in that case. Now coming to the next part, that is the marked price. So marked price, we have multiple name for this: marked price, tag price, MRP. All these will have the shortcut form also. Like cost price is called the purchase price, also we call it CP also, and selling price is sold price. SP is the short way to represent it. Marked price is MP. So we have to deal with profit and loss among these two values only. Suppose I have purchased something in 100 rupees and I am going to sell that item in 120 rupees. मैंने 100 rupees में purchase किया और 120 rupees में बेच दिया. So of course I am going to earn the profit of rupees 20. Now the formula for profit is always SP minus CP. If I have to find out profit percentage, so in that case, I will be writing profit value above, and profit and loss always gets calculated over the cost price. So profit upon CP, this is the fraction way to represent it. Convert it into percentage just by multiplying it by 100%. Same formula can be created for loss also. If I am going to sell it इन लेसर देन 100, मैंने 100 में परचेस किया बट 100 से कम में सेल कर दिया, लेट्स से 70 रुपीज में सेल कर दिया. So in that case, I'm going to earn the loss. So the difference of CP and SP is going to help me to get the value of either profit or loss. That depends what we are going to earn. So loss is of rupees 30 in that case. And formula for loss percentage will be, loss will also be calculated on the cost price multiplied by 100%. So here it will be 20 upon 100 multiplied by 100%. This is going to give me 20% profit. But if I have to calculate the loss in the same case, so this will be 30 rupees का loss हो रहा है on the cost price 100 multiplied by 100% is going to give me 30% loss. Now market price, or we call it marked price, टैग प्राइस जो हमने टैग करवा लिया है उस पर MRP लिखी हुई है. मैंने इस पेन को बनाने में 100 रुपीज इन्वेस्ट किए, मेरा पूरा मटेरियल एंड लेबर कॉस्ट एवरीथिंग, आई मैन्युफैक्चर्ड दिस पेन इन रुपीज 100. बट मैं अब उसको 100 रुपीज में तो सेल नहीं करूंगी. ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोइंग टू सेल इट इन सम अदर प्राइस. कस्टमर को अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मैंने 100 में बनाया, ऑफ कोर्स दे विल बार्गेन. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा उस केस में, मुझे उस पर कोई एक प्राइस को मेंशन करना हो, राइट? So that price will be called the tag price. Let's say I put the rupees 150 over there. But just to grab more customer, what I will be doing, I will plan one strategy that I am going to offer the discount of 10%, 20%, so that the customer फील्स दैट यहाँ पर भी 150 में मिल रहा है, यहाँ पर भी 150 में मिल रहा है, बट यहाँ पर कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट है. सो लेट्स गो एंड ट्राई विद द डिस्काउंट ऑप्शन ओनली. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग, मैंने 150 में पेन मार्क कर दिया बट आई एम गोइंग टू सेल इट इन रुपीज 120. तो मार्क्ड प्राइस और सेलिंग प्राइस के बीच में जब हम डील करते हैं, इन दैट केस always it will be discount. If I am going to sell it in rupees 120, so discount formula is again the difference of marked price and difference of marked price and selling price. Of course, marked price has to be greater, then only the discount case will appear. So discount is of rupees 30, 150 minus 120 is of 30 rupees discount. Discount percentage, how we will be calculating, discount divided by marked price. Discount always gets calculated over the marked price. So here discount is of 30 rupees on the marked price 150 multiplied by 100 is going to give me the value of discount, which is 20%. But still I am earning the profit. Why? Because the product has been manufactured in 100 rupees. So I don't have to tell to all the customer कि मैंने तो इसको 100 में बनाया. I will be just putting the marked price and offering the discount so that this customer gets to know, yes, मुझे फिर भी benefit ही हो रहा है. 150 की चीज मुझे 120 में मिल रही है. That means that is the benefit for me. This was just the basic introduction for this chapter. You all are already done with all these type of problem. Even you have solved that profit percent, loss percent is given, and cost price, selling price, something will be missing. So we have multiple problems, same type of, let's deal with it. So selling price is missing here, cost price and profit is given. Product has been manufactured in 4,000 rupees, and while selling it we are going to earn the profit. So of course selling price ज़्यादा होगी तभी profit earn हुआ है. So CP and profit को add on कर देंगे. So 4,270 is going to be the selling price, this much rupees. Right? Now cost price is missing, selling price and profit is given. कितने में प्रोडक्ट हमने बनाया है दैट वी डोंट नो, बट उसको सेल हमने 4,500 में किया है एंड वी अर्न द प्रॉफिट ऑफ रुपीज 170. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस जो होगी वो ऑफ कोर्स सेलिंग प्राइस और प्रॉफिट का डिफरेंस होगा. वाई? क्योंकि कॉस्ट प्राइस कम होगी तभी तो प्रॉफिट हुआ होगा. सो 4,500 में से 170 we needs to subtract, so that it is going to give me 4,330. Okay, so this much was the cost price for that product. Let's try with some more example which you have already done in previous grades. That is why I'm not going to teach you in detail. So selling price we needs to calculate, but cost price and loss is given. So loss के केस में हमेशा cost price ज्यादा होती है. हमने प्रोडक्ट को बनाया ज्यादा में होता है, बट सेल हमने उसको कम में किया है. That is why CP minus SP. Now loss is given. Selling price is going to be difference of CP and loss. So 3,000 minus 300 is going to give me 2,700 rupees is going to be the selling price. Of course product ज्यादा में बनाया है, कम में सेल किया है. That is why we are earning the loss. Now coming to this part, CP is missing here. Selling price is 340 and loss is 140. So CP value is going to be loss plus selling price. We simply needs to add selling price and loss value together. So that is rupees 480. हमने प्रोडक्ट को 480 में बना के 340 में सेल किया. That is why we are going to earn the loss of 140. I hope you understood all these problems. You have already done this in your previous grades. That is why I have not teach you in detail. But yes, from the coming sessions we will be looking to some challenging question which needs to be done in few seconds only for competitive exam purpose. So till we meet for the next session, bye everyone. Take care of yourself, and yes, do not forget to share this video to your friends so that they will also get the benefit of all my tricks.